we are glad to be here to announce an exciting news. Portwell and DENKweit, we build a partnership that we want to provide a complete solution to our customers. Portwell, we are a hardware provider. We provide an embedded computing platform. And DENKweit, they are a German company. They provide advanced AI software. So we provide a total solution that the customer can use for AI-based quality insurance and quality control for their application. So today I'm happy that Jiamei is with us. Hi, Jiamei.
Hi, Kevin.
Yeah. Can you tell us about your AI software and what makes it special?
So we are specialized in AI-based solution for image analysis. We have developed a platform so where users can train and create and also optimize the AI models on their own. It's comprehensive and also a cloud-based platform, so that designed for the access to different advanced AI technologies. So it enables users to train very high performance network within a very short period of time and with very minimal effort. So also on the platform we offer 7 different technologies, so that can almost cover all of the requirements that the industrials that need it. On the platform we have several key features. So for example, we use the browser-based accessibility, so you can easily log into the platform for your operations. The second one is we have very intuitive user interface, and the third one is that we have an one-click annotation tool. The last one is it's codeless AI training. So the third one, the one-click tool annotation, that's so good because you can save a lot of time on annotation your objects and can save you a lot of time on this process. The last one, codeless AI model training, that's also very useful because you don't need any programming skills to handle our platform. So very simple, you just need to upload some images to our platform and to do the annotation, and you press the play button on our platform, then you can start the training and get the high performance the network within a very short period of time. With our solution, you don't need to buy very expensive hardware for the model training, and also you can access to the platform 24 hours, 7 days when you have internet. Yes.
Jiamei, based on our collaboration, can you tell us what kind of application could get the most benefit from our solution?
Okay. So the cooperation between Portwell and DENKweit can be especially beneficial for the industries that rely on the precision, real-time data processing, and automation. So there are several significant application fields. So like automotive and the manufacturing and quality control, food and beverage industries, and the last one is semiconductor and electronic components production. So in general, this kind of automatic optical inspection solution ensure the consistent product quality, can reduce the human error, can increase the throughput, and also the last one can reduce the operational costs.
I have one additional question. When customers using our solution for their inference, do they need any internet?
So for the inference, the internet is no more needed. Only for the network training, the internet is required. Could you please tell us why this IPC is suitable for an automatic optical inspection task?
Okay. I would like to share that this is our IPC, the rack mount PC, PSYS-508. This computer features a lot of PCIe expansion that you can add like GPU card or like the frame grabber card that you can connect to the cameras to get the image. And we also offer a lot of storage expansion. So actually, this system can have up to 7 storage. So it will be very suitable for, and also our rack mount PC features a very high performance processor. So it is very good for this kind of AI application.
Kevin, how can we ensure the reliability and also the long-term stability of the integrated systems or the integrated solution that we want to provide together to our end customers?
Yes, reliability is quite important. So we select industrial grade component for our computer, and also we will have a lot of reliability testing to guarantee that our system can be operated for a long time without any problem.
In addition, with DENKweit, we continuously develop new AI algorithms while optimizing our platform's functionality and the interface. One more important thing is that DENKweit is using our own AI techniques, so such as network architecture search. With this technology, you can get the most robust AI model performance.
Jiamei, thanks for your time today. And if you have any question about our solution, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
Bye.
For more solutions, contact Portwell, your trusted partner in intelligent embedded computing.